Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and I'm doing another video. It's going to be my dining room project, part number 17. So in this video, I have replaced the old blinds. Got a really nice set of blinds. They're not too expensive. It was like under $50 from Home Depot. I was able to take them out, the older ones, and then put in another new set. And then I went ahead and I bought another set of blinds so that I have another pair so that when this one gets really worn, and I'll just take those out and I'll just put the same one in so that I don't have to worry about looking for the same set of blinds later on. So now I went out and I marked a nice dining room set. It's going to be for like $2,800 and a nice dining room set, dining room table, and a china cabinet. And then I'm going to add another candlestick holder. Boy, I mean, I tell you, it wasn't really. Now I'm going to be able to move fast. Working on the house, remodeling. Just the next step will be the kitchen. After I paid off the house, boy, man, that was a huge relief taking care of that. So now it's just everything is just coming into place, and had a great summer, was outstanding, and everything is looking really, really nice. So I can't wait to get all the candles in place in the dining room, light up the whole entire dining room, which has actually been pretty good. And then once I get the dining room set up, I'm going to have a nice vase of the month. I'm going to be looking at a lot of nice vases with flowers, just to make this place really nice and complete. So I really hope you like these videos that I'm doing for my dining room, and I will see you later. Bye.